here, very fashionable. Famous Jožek, talk about fashion today. Famous Jožek. You are very fashionable with your $9 jacket. Wow, that is real fashion.
Nice top, nice jeans.
Very nice jeans, they are fashionable people. This I made them myself. You see, I cut them here. I cut them here and I put the snake beneath. And it's also Adidas. My Adidas, my Adidas. All right, Famous Jožek is super trendy today, fashionable. She's not trendy, but she's fashionable, all right?
I don't chase trends.
She does not chase trends, but she chases fashion.
What?
Not really. Famous Jožek, talk. Say something of big importance today. I've been watching you for the whole morning. You are like little, not very.
I am in pain a little.
Yeah, you are a little moody today.
No, I'm not moody. I'm a little in pain.
Yeah? I see.
Yeah. Nothing like extreme, but
You are not like very ecstatic and very happy today, bubbly.
no.
All right, so.
Not really, not exactly.
Well, people, there are days like this, okay? Some days are like this.
Sure.
Hey ho! Hey ho 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 ho! Okay, this was the echo in our hallway. All right,
It
with
was a very nice singing.
huh?
Very nice singing.
I tested it.
Tribal.
What is it?
Tribal singing.
Tribal?
Yeah.
No, that wasn't tribal, Famous Jožek. That
Wasn't
was
tribal?
no, that was Hawaiian. Hawaiian type of singing, okay?
Okay.
It's like a little tribal, but from the Hawaii. Hawaii, where people are super happy, like our friend. This guy is always happy. The dog, but he is like a little sad. He has
No,
something.
He's a deep thinker.
Yeah, he's a very deep thinker, and he's always talking about some money.
Dog?
Not the dog, the guy with the dog.
Okay.
Yeah, he's
I
always.
don't really listen
He's
to-
always talking about some money, some projects, you know. He's one of those entrepreneurs, all right?
Please get 2 coffees, one small and one medium for you.
Yeah, I want tea.
Oh, he wants tea.
What kind of tea would you like?
The tea that has no caffeine.
Okay, so peach tranquility.
Yes.
Okay, anything else?
Very tranquil.
So no, okay.
We're actually out of soy. We have all coconut or almond. Coconut.
Thank you.
No problem. All right, so it's $6.29.
Wow.
Here, right?
I told you, I hate this chain. I hate this coffee shop. I hate them. But they are nice.
Yeah, they're very nice people. People who work here.
I mean, the
also.
people. Famous. What are you doing? Just hold it for a second. Famous yogurt is so bad that doesn't even want to hold my apple for 1 second. All right. Now we can wait together.
And she's so smart because she chose, here you go.
Oh,
Thank you.
She chose one of the most common names like in the entire, like what we have to do is improve.
an apple a day. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. It was not the candy bar, okay?
I wish it was candy. I would guess super healthy versus that.
An apple a day keeps the doctor away. It was not the candy bar, it was not the Snickers, it was not the chips. What's going on?
I don't think it's yours. I don't think it's yours, Sally.
Thank you.
gonna talk about serious stuff today.
Would you like some?
Yeah.
That's good. We don't vlog as much as we should.
Now they're gonna block the sound of my video because of this stupid song.
Let's go. So no one to vlog your video.
All right, let's go. It's very nice.
I'll talk to you later. All right, bye.
Just 1 second. All right, I was doing some adjustments, okay? This tripod. The tripod is a little complicated. Oh, a tea. A tea. It's super hot tea.
Of course.
They want to kill me.
No.
They want to kill me.
There's no other way to brew
They
the
want to
tea.
kill me. That's all they
Okay,
want.
the next time have iced.
I sue them, okay? Again, I'm gonna have
So the nice girl who served you the tea.
everybody, the corporation. Wow, 7 minutes we didn't say anything of importance, all right?
As always. That's why you should really edit your videos. No?
Yeah, I'm editing the videos right now.
Okay. It wasn't that cold as I
Talk,
expected.
famous Jožik, speak.
Oh my god, I'm talking and he's talking over me and he's asking me to talk, you know? People are afraid of your video production. They see us and they're like, oh, I don't want to be famous.
I don't want to be in someone else's video, that's what they are thinking.
Right. So you are making so many people uncomfortable by your selfie stick.
Well,
Imagine if we had, like, when we have these microphones, you know, a couple of people filming us.
yeah. Then everybody is walking away from us.
People
That's why we have to keep undercover vloggers, all right? With the
we have to invest in this, you know, small cameras, hidden cameras.
pin cameras.
Yeah. It's
Pin
like
button camera.
Small as a button.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna record each other.
That's a good idea, famous Jožik. Or a little GoPro. They are almost like pin.
Yeah,
Buttons
but
now.
today people are so used to other people filming that they're mostly, you know, slightly annoyed. They're not like surprised. They're
Uh-huh.
just like, someone's filming. But I don't see that many bloggers. Do you? I don't.
Yeah.
Like we travel, people are mostly taking pictures and that's it,
Yeah.
right?
Sometimes we see.
So you kind of a rare find in this neighborhood. There's one girl who does
The
you know,
TikTok.
dancing
The
here,
TikTok.
and that's it. And the second person is you and me because you know
You're part of the game.
I'm part of it. Yeah.
Famous Jožik is part of the game.
Oh, look at those clouds! How they covered
Oh,
partially just one
yeah.
building.
Oh!
God.
Oh, the big ship is here. The big shit is here. All right, here somebody's coming. Oh, somebody is going.
Пугайте, это люди не любят, когда снимаете. You can't do that.
You can do that. Who said that I can do that?
Ну, вообще люди, ты должен спрашивать разрешение.
All right.
Ask.
All right, I'm gonna ask you to go to the ship. The big ship. The big ship is coming. All right, over there, people. You see the big ship? All right. Now I'm going to televise the big ship. Just 1 second. It's coming. The big ship came from maybe from the Caribbean. Is that the Caribbean? All right, here is it. Coffee.
Is it drizzling a little?
It is drizzling a little now. People watch. This is the big ship. The big ship. Sorry. You see how big it is? It's like bigger than a skyscraper.
It's not bigger than a skyscraper.
It looks like. It looks like bigger than a skyscraper.